Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick follow-up to the Cfmoto Zforce 950 hood issue I reported on the other day. Good news, I'm just leaving the dealership now, and they did speak to Cfmoto. Cfmoto will be replacing the hood under warranty. So I would assume that means anyone else that has this hood issue should also be able to get their hood replaced if it's been snapped. I couldn't see Cfmoto replacing for one but not the other. So that's it, just a quick video. This one will be filed under shorts as I don't want it to show up under my main video content. But yeah, that's it guys. So that's good news, and again, just wanted to keep you updated on the same. Stay tuned. Tomorrow I have a product video that I am dropping. I was sent some nice product. I will not give it out at the moment, by another creator who has also, I'll say, invented or created a product of his own, and this stuff's fantastic. So I will be telling you all about it tomorrow, and I will be telling you all about it in tomorrow's video. Okay guys, peace out. Aaron, Simply New England. Looking forward to chatting with you more later.